sitting opposite the residence of a senior Region 4 police official holding a lighter. A search uncovered four methamphetamine pills hidden in the left pocket of his pants. During questioning, police say Apichap was incoherent and showed signs of being under the influence using the money to purchase meth. He told police he had bought 10 pills and feels tired, regardless of where he is. Apichap also admitted he had already taken 2 pills before police arrived. Residents in the area said that they had noticed the man walking back and forth since the early morning before sitting outside a nearby shop. One resident told local media that Apichap was seen openly smoking drugs and talking to himself, behavior that frightened nearby residents and prompted them to alert police. According to local media, Apichap was taken to the police station for further investigation. He's been charged with illegal possession of a Category 1 narcotic and drug consumption. Are now underway. They are investigating a horrifying triple homicide this week after a man allegedly killed his parents and teenage sister, buried their bodies inside a rented home, and then traveled to another city to file a false missing persons report. Preliminary findings suggest the killings occurred on January 27th at a rental house in the town of Kotur. The accused, identified only as Akshay Kumar, is accused of murdering his father, Vimaraj, his mother, Jayalakshmi, and his 18-year-old sister, Amruta. Police say the case came to light after Akshay traveled to the city of Bengaluru and went to a local police station on the evening of January 29th, claiming his parents and sister had gone missing after visiting a hospital for a medical checkup.